I want to sincerely thank Donna Gardner for this TEA events calendar, and where she says it has the Constitution Week and Constitution Day in September. So if I look down here, all these different days have links. Grandparents' Day, Texas First Responders Day, State Board of Education Day, State Board of Education Board meeting, Texian Navy Day. But you get to Constitution Week and Constitution Day, there's nothing. Okay, another thing that's fairly interesting is if you go down here, it shows Columbus Day, but there's no link. But inadvertently and perhaps providentially, I clicked on this Hector P. Garcia Day, and it comes up with, in near proximity, this Columbus Day thing. So evidently, it looks like, I don't know if Columbus Day is still being observed or not, and why they don't have the link.